Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing about the 5 components which are the basic components which are used in electronics. Now here we have resistor, pin header, these are LEDs, potentiometer and a glass fuse. So I'll be discussing components one by one. So starting with the resistor. Resistor is two-terminal device. It has two leads over here which are non-polarized. These are the fixed resistors. There are two types of resistor. One is fixed resistor, second one is variable resistor. This is the example of a fixed resistor, which is also called as film resistor. This device actually limits the current flow in the circuit and the unit of the resistor is ohms. Now coming to the structure of a resistor. A resistor is non-polarized, as I said. It has two leads over here and the body is made up of insulating material. Inside the insulating material, there is a resistive film. The value of this resistor depends upon the bands which is there over here. There are different color bands which has different values. The last one is gold or silver, which is for the tolerance, plus or minus 5, 10. So this is the second component we have here, which is a potentiometer. It is also called as pot in electronic technology. This is a 3-terminal resistor which is having a sliding contact that forms the adjustable voltage over here. This is the adjustable knob. Now these 3 pins we have here commonly which controls the resistance. One is VCC, one is ground and the middle one is the variable. The next component we have here is the LED. This have got two color LEDs. Now if you see, this is the 2-terminal device which is widely used in semiconductor diodes which emits the light. The LEDs which emit visible infrared light are used in remote controls. There are different colors depending on the doping concentration. Now these LEDs have 2 terminals. One is short, one is long. If you can see, the long one is the positive terminal which is anode and the shorter one is the cathode which is a negative terminal. This is made up of the epoxy lens or the case which is a glass epoxy, and inside this there is small semiconductor die and the refractive cavity. Next we have here is the fuse. This is a glass fuse. You can see here inside the glass fuse there is a small wire. The fuse is a safety device which is used for the purpose of protecting the circuit against the excessive current. In the event of excessive current, the fuse element melts, which is there inside this, which I have shown you. That melts and opens up the circuit there by protecting the damage. Now this is the transparent glass, what you can see here. There is a melting wire inside and the silver part is a tin plated brass or similar conductive material. So last we have here pin headers. The pin headers are type of electrical connector that consist of one or more rows of metal pins or contacts molded into plastic base. This is the black color what you can see. They serve as the bridge between various elements in the electronic devices. So there are different types of connectors. It can be a female connector, male connector. This is what I have over here is the male connectors. These are mostly used in the project or with the Arduino, Raspberry Pi or a small projects when you're making. Thank you. That's it for today's video. In next video I'll be taking up more components. Do like, subscribe my channel. If you have any other components to be discussed, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.